Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is exercise 54, question 2 on page 77, class 8 mathematics. Now I want to go through this paper, this question. Then it has A, B up to A, B, C up to D. So the question is somehow challenging, but it is very easy. Starting from A, it looks easy. When you go to B, the same. When you go to C, the same. When you go to D, lastly the same. Similarly, when you do A and you get the correct answer A, B will be very simple. Likewise, when you get C, D will be very easy. Now let me go through the question. The sketch below shows a simple structure of a roofing beam. Truss. The word beam or a roofing beam and truss are the same. That's why we have bracket there. The width of the building is 9.6 meter and the vertical height CF. Look at the diagram. When I'm reading, you have to check the diagram. The width of the diagram is the width of the building, is 9.6 meter and the vertical height is CF, 1.4 meter. CF, C juu F chini. In that vertical line, which symbol is as the vertical height is 1.4. Good. Projections are AB, look AB 1.2 and DE 1.2. Projections alwaaxda banaanka usoo baxa waay markii roofka saa loo dhiso kale inta jingada la saarayo waa CD iyo BC bas bala alwaaxda banaanka usoo baxa waxa la projections. Now let's see the question. What is the length of BC and CD? What's the length of BC and CD? What is the total length of the timber required to complete the roofing beam? C. If the timber used to cost shilling 70 per meter, what is the cost of the timber required to construct the roofing beam? D. The length of the building is 15 meter. At each end, a roofing beam is fixed. The rest are fixed at interval of 3 meter. What is the cost of the timber required to construct enough roofing beam? Let's see the first question. What's the length of BC, CD? Now I've drawn again. They are asking BC and CD. Okay, the length of the width was 9.6. Let's go back to the question as you see it, 9.6. The vertical line, which is 1.4, divides 9.6 into 2, making 48 meter. Therefore, when you check the height to be 1.4 and this side 48 meter, BC becomes the hypotenuse of the triangle. Hypotenuse. So if you want to find hypotenuse, remember you apply your Pythagoras theorem, that is A is equal to B square plus BC square. At the same time, C square minus C square, C square minus A square. B square is equal to C square minus A square. So C square is equal to A square plus B square. So we are finding C, which is the hypotenuse. So I will say 4.8 square plus 1.4 square. 4.8 square is 23.04, as you see there. 1.4 square is 1.96. So when you add, because I'm adding, the answer becomes 25 sharp. So the square root of 25 is what? 5. Therefore, BC and CD are 5 meter. They are the same. BC, CD, they are 5 centimeter. Sorry, 5 meter. When I go to B, what is the total length of the timber required to complete the roofing beam? Total length, starting from AB, BC, CD, go round, DE, BD, and the CF. I'm a FC. So AB is 1.2, BC is 5 meter, 5.0, CD is 5.0 still, DE is 1.2. I'm counting the projection because I want to know the total measurement of the timber. So you go around, marka. Let's start again. AB or 1.2, BC or 5 meter, CD or 5 meter, DE or 1.2 projection camarena, PD or kadere or base width figure 9.6, vertical height 1.4. When you add all of them, because they are asking the total length of the timber, then you say 23.4 meter. Alwaaxan oo dhan waa 23.4 meter. Good. When you go to C, if the timber use costs shilling 70 per meter, what is the cost of the timber required to construct the roofing beam? على الواح waa 7 shilling. Yani each and every meter, 1 meter is 70 shilling. So the roofing beam consists of muxuu ka kooban yahay su'aasha dib ugu laabo one roofing beam cabirkiisa dhan meeqa waa 23.4. Then 23.4 if 1 meter is 70 shilling 23.4 will be how much? What will you do? Then you say in 1 meter we have a total, in 1 beam we have a total measurement of 23.4 meter. Therefore 23.4 meter times 70 shilling. The answer will be 1,638 shilling for the whole beam. Alwaaxan dhan oo samaysan dhan asaga dhan qiimihiis alwaax dhan hadaa rabtina ogaado more about the beam. Let's go back to the diagram. I'll show you what beam means. This is the beam we are talking about. Weligaa alwaax saan ma aragta dad guryaha dhisa gobolada dadkii guryaha saan uristaan alwaaxana saan la saan asoo lix baa jinkada kor laga saaraya dan jinkada kor la saaraa marka asoo casriyaysan waa kana marka waa hadda meeqa beam waay 1 2 3 4 5 5 beams waa marka kan. How many beams are there? 5 beams. dhinaca kan alwaax dhinaca kan alwaax. Good. Now let's go back to the lesson. Let's go back to the lesson, sorry. Now, this is the beam. So if you want to get the total measure of the beam, that's P 23.4 meter. Now, each and every 1 meter costs 70 shilling. And I have a total of 23.4 meters. So therefore, you multiply 23.4 meter multiplied by 70 shilling. Because each and every 1 meter costs how much? 70 shilling. Therefore, the answer will be 1,638 meters for C. Sorry, 1,638 shilling for C. Now let's come to D, which is very, very challenging. You cannot get D without A, B, C. The length of the building is 15 meter. The whole building, dhismaha dhan oo mudulka oo alwaaxda la saaray kulli totalkiisa waa 15 meter. At each end, a roofing beam is fixed. Labada gees waxa laga saaray roofing beam ka daa intu sayo labada gees laga saaray. The rest is made fixed at interval of 3 meter. 3 meter. Interval waa garanaysa when you are learning area and distancing. Interval means inta u dhaxayso. Interval means inta u dhaxayso. So labadii beam ba oo isu dhow 3 meter u dhaxayso. Beam kiiba 3 meter, beam kiiba 3 meter, beam kala 3 meter, beam kala 3. Yani inta beam u dhaxayso 3 meter. Measurement guriga dhererkiisa waa 15 meter. So what is the cost of the timber required to construct enough roofing beam? What is the cost? Lacaga laga rabaa hadda marka. So when they say cost means the answer must be something shillings. Answer waa in lacag ku soo baxda jawaabtaada. Good, because they're asking cost. Now let's see the solution. Sorry. If the total length, if the length of the building is 15 meter, how many beams can fit? Mark. So actually SVD. How many beams can fit? Now it's very simple. Labada beam waxa u dhaxaysa 3 meter, then you divide 15 divided by 3. Measures maxay yaala 5 beams. 5 beams. So there are no 5 beams. 5 beams ma plus 1 aan leedahay. Why do we say plus 1? Area of distancing marka soo baranaysay when it is a straight line we say plus 1. Plus 1. Hadda hadii lagu dhaho from section 1 ila section 3 geeda lagu beeraya. Measurementgeedana waxa lagu dhahay 1 kilometer waay. Ala geed labadii geedna waxa u dhaxaysa lagu dhahay 20 meter u dhaxaysay 20 meter. Maxaa sameynaysaa 1 kilometer meeqa meter ku jirto 1000. Ala geed labadii geedna waxa u dhaxaysa 20 meter lagu dhahay. Meeqa geeda ku beeri kartaa? So waxa leedahay 20 yani 1 kilometer 1000 meter. 1000 meter divided by 20 meters leedahay. Wixii kaaga soo baxa meeshaas oo geed ayaa lagu beeri karaa plus 1 waa inaad dhahdaa marka. Plus 1 hal xabo dheeraad extra lagu daro waay because waa straight line. Laakiin markii circle ta beer ah oodayso kale plus 1 ma jirto. Therefore hadda meesha waxaan ku dhisaynaa beams guri korkiisa aan ku dhisaynaa. So waa straight line. Meesha aan ka bilowno kuma soo noqono meel kale aan ku keenna. So you say 15 meter divided by 3 meters. 3 meters ka interval 15 meter waa dhererka gurigu yahay. Daansa waxay noqonaysaa 5 beams plus 1 aan leedahay because xabad oo u dambeysay waa inaad ku dartaa dheeraad. Just because waxa plus 1 loo dhahaa just because straight line making a total of 6 beams. Okay, if one beam marka halkii beam lacagtiisa gadaal laabo question A fiiri No, question B theory. C, sorry, C theory. Question, in one beam, we have a total measurement of 23.4 meter, therefore 70 shilling. Halkii beam lacagtiis 1,638. So 6 beams haystaa markaani. If one beam is equal to 1,638 shilling, 6 beams will be how much? Then you say 6 times, cross multiply 6 times 1638 over 1. Beam isku baxayaan, then 1 cannot be a denominator, then 6 you multiply directly to 1,638 shilling. The answer will give you 9,828 shilling. 9,828 shilling. So that can be the answer. Inshallah, you listen, repeat the question. You have to practice a lot so that you understand. These are the simple questions that can come in the examination. Unless otherwise, you are not prepared for it, it will confuse you during the time of the final examination. Nice time.